I said, where are we going? Whoa, mighty Mr. Train. He said, we're bound for St. Louis, on to Memphis, and down to New Orleans, on down to New Orleans. I said, how can you pull us? Oh, 20 cars upon the train. He said, there's plenty coal in the coal car. Just keep feeding the flame. Keep the fireman feeding the flame. I said, why do you do it? Whistling through the valleys and the plains. He said, see the mighty Mississippi running yonder. We're racing to the Pontchartrain, on down to Lake Pontchartrain. I said, when will we get there? I said, how will we know? He said, when you see the mosses hanging from the trees and the land laying way down low. When the land's laying way down low. I said, when this ride is over, what happens then? He said, before you check into your fancy hotel, I'll be riding these rails again. I'll be rolling back home again. I said, how do they call you? What is your name? He said, you'll know me by my lonesome whistle blow. Then the bright red fire of my flame, the burning red fire of my flame.